Welcome to this tutorial. This is Asha from Ethos Primary Care. I'm going to walk you through the technology that will be used for the webinar. So you can either click the link that was sent to you, or you can copy paste it on the browser. So that's what I'm going to do. And then let's see where it leads us to. So it's taking me to the login into the webinar where I have to enter. And here there's an option for guest or registered user. You can choose the option as guest unless you are a Adobe Connect member or you have some kind of a membership. You can definitely use that. So I'm going to put guest 1 as a way to enter into the room, and let's wait what happens. We will be opening into this page, which will, an option that will have that open Adobe Connect. I already had downloaded my app, so I am getting that option. If you are a first-time user, you will have to download Adobe Connect application. It has no charges. You do need this application in order to work off your computer. We encourage you to enter into this webinar using your computer rather than your phone. They do have a phone app, but the experience of doing it through the computer is far better. And we'll talk a little bit more about it at the orientation, why the laptop will be much better. So I'm going to go ahead and open the Adobe Connect. So here we are entering the room and into the webinar to participate with the host and all the other participants. Let me walk you through the layout on how your screen may look, and also get familiar with the app itself. So we'll start from the top. There's a meeting option, preferences, how you want to use your audio, and also if you wanted to exit, this would be another way to exit the webinar. Then next to that is the speaker tab. You can either, when you mute your speaker, you won't hear anything, but I just wanted to show you how it will look when it's muted. So if you can't hear us during the webinar, there may be something going on with your speaker. So let's unmute your speaker, and then next to it is the mic option. Right now I have muted my mic, and the green also shows that my mic is it's functioning. If I disconnect, it'll be, you'll see the difference between disconnected mic, and now I'm going to connect, and this is how it will be, and I'm muting it. Next to the mic is our webcam. We do encourage every participant to turn on their webcam to get the enhanced experience of our webinar, and we will explain that more during the orientation. So if you want to start your webcam, here it'll be start webcam, or right at the center there is an option called start my webcam. And also there is a menu option right on the top right, what kind of camera you need to select. So just to get a feel, let's start my webcam. This is the preview of how you would like to be seen on the screen. Let's start the, here we are. Welcome. So I'm looking forward to meeting you guys. We could use our hands, physically. If you wanted to ask a question, raise our hands like this. Or you see on the top, there is the set status on the top. You say there's a tab, and you can use raise your hand, either one of those. I'm going to stop right now my webcam. so as to go over the overall other options that are there on your screen. Bottom right is the chat. Um, Look at the menu on the chat. So either you can chat with the host if you have any particular question just for the host or the presenter. There will be, and else you can give, if you want to share something with the rest of the participants as everyone. So I'm just going to cross out the host for now, just so that let's start a chat, and this is how it'll look. And we'll say hello to the host. And let me see if I can go back and reply hello back. You can see the hello is right up here. So either I can reply back to everyone, or I can reply just to you, and that's how our communication will be between everyone or host. On the left, there is the pod, which is the welcome pod. This may keep changing throughout the orientation, but I just wanted you to get familiar. This is more like a bulletin board, like an announcement or anything that I want to share. And each pod has a menu option of what you can do. There will be other pods that will be coming in and out through. I may be able to share maybe one or two now. So let me see if I can share a whiteboard. And let's go back. This will be like just only sessions where we will only see all the participants, and then I'm just going back to our welcome. So this is throughout. I'm just wanted to give you a feeling of how the flow of the webinar and the technology, if it keeps changing. If there are any questions after you see through this, feel free to send us an email or call us. We encourage you to please review this before the start of the webinar. And we are looking forward to seeing you at the Orientation for Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction Program. Thank you.